Hello everyone friends, today I'll show you how to enable virtualization for LDPlayer. So to do this we go to Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, Additional Recovery Options and click Advanced Startup to restart your computer. Next, click on Troubleshoot here. Click Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings and click Restart. Now it's different in different BIOSes, but basically we just need to find the virtualization technology setting. For me specifically, it's in the settings. I have tweaks here, yes, advanced CPU settings, basically in the processor settings. And here we have VTD, here's virtualization, there it is. And you can simply turn it on like this. After that we exit, save and exit, and click on Save and Exit Setup. And here we click yes. After that, your computer will boot up and virtualization technology will be enabled. That's all. This was bye everyone.